Here are the 5 AI tools I use to save time, stay organized, and make money. No fluff, just real stuff that actually work. First, CapCut AI. This tool edits my videos crazy fast. It auto-cuts filler words, follows my voice, and literally saves me hours. For someone who hates editing but still loves to create, this is golden. When I'm overwhelmed and stuck scripting a video, I just dump everything into my notes. I'll type out the mess, paste it into ChatGPT, and boom, clarity. It feels like therapy, but for your to-do list. This is a weird one, but it works. I asked ChatGPT to break down my goals into steps. Then I drop those tasks into Apple Reminder. It keeps me moving even when my brain doesn't want to. For thumbnails or digital products, I use Canva AI. It's like having a designer brain for when mine's tired. They give you templates, color palettes, and generate stuff with a few prompts. Gumroad and AI prompts. This changed everything for me. I started uploading small digital assets in Gumroad. I used ChatGPT to generate product ideas, titles, even the description. I made my first $5. Not much, but $5. Then it actually felt real, like this could actually grow. Let me know if you used any of these, or if you want me to break down my favorite combo setup. Links are in the description. Most of these are free or super cheap, especially with those links. Subscribe if you're trying to build something real and you still kind of feel lost, like me. We got this. I'll see you next time.